Well, guys, it was a long day, and I've got that sprinkler line in today. I got that main line, but it didn't go easy as I thought. I had some issues. The backhoe driver, I thought it was the guy that I had before, but he started digging and he broke 3 of my other main lines when trying to put in this new one. So, anyways, I've got it all on the movie, on the film here. So, take a look at it. Hope you enjoy it, but you'll see me install this whole main line, including having to repair the existing main line. So anyways, guys, enjoy, and we'll see you next video. Hey, good morning, everybody. So here we go. We're digging in the main. I cut in the valve for the new piece of property. It's either that blue valve I put in yesterday, and now we've got the backhoe digging up, and we're gonna put this main. We got 100 yards, 100 meters this way, and then we're gonna cut across another 40 meters down across, and then we'll come off that with our secondary lines, 2 inch, and then we'll taper down to 1.5 inch. But the main line itself is 3 inches. So there we go. We're getting busy. Now I've got this backhoe here, which is 800 baht an hour, and that's $21 an hour, guys. I can't even rent this back home from rental agency just for the machine itself, let alone it being manned and fueled for 800 baht per hour. So yeah, so we're digging right along here, and I've got some existing pipes that we're having to look out for. So this guy's a real good operator, and he's just taking his time filling at the bottom of the trench. So anyways, these guys are good. I've had them in here before. Well, we just hit my my other main, so yeah, disregard that. Him taking his time, being easy. He just ripped right through it. And that's all the water that's in the main, so yeah, I got a repair to do too. Anyways, no big deal, we'll get past it. Okay, so me and Amp are off to go buy some parts to repair that main line. That dude doing what he did. But anyways, a little bit of a drive. I got to drive over about 1.5 kilometers, this local store. We're gonna go ahead and pick up a couple 45s and some couplings, and we should be able to fix this. So okay, so I've got the parts, and the guys have almost dug this up. But really what happened here is we broke 3 pipes. One comes from the well, the second one I have, and the other 2 are the main lines going out to the Tenrai right behind me. So yeah, we're putting in the new main line, having to repair the old main line. So anyways, what happens. So all right, press on and check back in a little bit. I said come up a little bit. So guys almost have everything dug out. But as we're cutting it back, the dirt, they broke the pipe, so they got to dig back farther now. So anyways, we're getting there. As soon as we get this fixed and we can actually start putting this pipe down. The backhoe has gone out a good 100 yards now, 100 meters. And he's digging down pretty good. About 50 cm down, 60 cm down, which should be enough. Here's our pipe. We got our pipe all laid out, ready to go. The idea is as soon as he's done digging, well, as he was digging up, we were going to be laying pipe. but then that ordeal have taken place, so we got to fix that first. So he's working on the last 40 meters. Cutting across the farm here is 40 meters wide, actually about 45 on this section. And so as soon as he gets done here, he's just going to go ahead and turn right back around and start filling everything. So yeah, we're getting there, guys. So I'll go ahead and give you another update a little bit later. Okay, still working at it. This side here is already prepped, ready to go. We just need to do a little bit more work over there. The pipe's not spreading because of the dirt. We need to be able to put the couplings on. So as soon as they get that side done, we're going to go ahead and wrap this up and start putting this pipe in this farm. The backhoe's about 20 meters in. He's got about 20 meters left. So hopefully we could be done with this and have at least 20 meters worth of pipe put down before he comes on over here so he can start burying all this stuff. Anyways, check back a little later. Alright guys, so we're finished making that repair and we tested it and we've got a little leak right over there, but no big deal. I had made one of my repair kits. Basically all I do is I'll show you is I take an existing pipe, 2-inch pipe, and I cut out a section, and being that it's just a small cut on top, I'll just glue it up real good when the water stops and slip it over and it'll stop the leak. So now we've got the backhoe putting everything back in, all the dirt, and I've got the guys putting the main line in. So yeah, we've got about an hour or so putting pipe in, and he's got a couple hours of putting dirt in, and hopefully by then this will have stopped leaking, or all the water draining out of the pipe, and then I can fix it with my specialized piece that I made myself. So anyways guys, giving up another update here in a little bit. All right guys, so this is that little repair I've been waiting to do. I'm gonna put this thing on it, but it's cut just right up in here. It's when they cut this, they cut in that little bit. So I'll hand the phone to Amp and you watch me do this. All right. So this is a bit tricky. It's kind of underneath. It's gonna save a lot of time doing it this way. So we're gonna wanna get some glue in there. Plenty of glue. Lots of glue. You can't put too much glue with this. So. Lots of glue. Try not to get any dirt in there like I was just doing. Get all your glue in there. So you cover it. Because we're going to have to slide this around. So put it in there. Here we go. It goes. Going for broke, fellas. There we go. Oh, all right. Look at that. Done. Fixed it. See that? Perfect fix. Perfect. Look at that. Done. That's how you fix pipe quickly. All right, we're on the last stretch of putting the pipe in. Backhoe's right behind us. So we've installed main all the way down here, 100 yards on the side, and then coming across this way, we got 40 yards to do. We'll end it right there. These are all the uprights. These will feed the lines and all the sprinkler heads. I got basically 25 sprinkler heads per line. So should be good, guys. Moving along. All right, I'll update you in a minute. All right, well, we're moving along. So this will be the end point. This is the last row we'll end up doing. So we've got 6.5 rows. So the main line is actually the easy thing. Most of the work's going to come in hand digging all these rows. I mean, they're on average are about 220 yards a piece, 220 meters a piece for the first 6, and this last one here is like half that. So just think about it, guys. They're going to be digging by hoe all the way down. Now, you guys are probably saying, hey, just use a trencher. Yep, that's what we did back home in California. I'd I'd rent a trencher for the day, and I'd trench this all on out. But they don't rent trenchers here. And I'm not going to use this backhoe to do it either. So we only need to go down like 6 inches. So put a 2-inch pipe down. So anyways, that's the next step after this main line. Then we'll give you an update here soon. So okay, so we're done. We've got the main line in, and we tested out fine, cleaned out the line, and got everything stubbed up. And we had a little bit of time left today, so we dug one of the sprinkler lines. So we've got one done. Of course, this is a half line now. This is only like, I don't know, 70 meters long. So not that long. And tomorrow we'll start with the long ones. I've got the guys starting early in the morning when it's nice and foggy here. They'll start in the far one where there's no shade. And when the sun comes and the shade comes here, then they'll just switch on over here and start working on this line. So yeah, guys, I got the main line in. So we're pretty much heading right into the sprinklers now. So maybe by the end of this week, I should have sprinklers in all the way through. And then the next step is we're going to go ahead and dig out the holes where the durian's going to go. I've got everything marked off with bamboo sticks where the durian's going to be. And we're going to put 2 bags of cow crap or cow manure in the hole and around the hole. And we've got 6 months, and then plus we'll sprinkle some NPK fertilizer. And we'll run the sprinklers on it, and we'll just let that break down and worms eat it. And by the time 6 months comes along, the bacteria should have digested it and deposit a lot of nitrates into the ground, which the plants can absorb. So yeah, it's gonna work out really good, guys. So anyways, this will conclude this video. If you're interested in durian, and if you've made it this far in the video, guys, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I'm a durian farmer here in Thailand. I retired and decided to do this. I guess we never retire. We just do something different. I can't see myself just sitting on the couch all day. So I can't see anybody doing that. So anyways, guys, this is what I do. It's my passion. So if you like it, subscribe, follow me, and you'll learn something about durian and other stuff. So, all right, guys. See you later. See you in the next video.